up, guys? So right now we are in Mount Maunganui again. Yeah, we're always here because that's the nearest city we have, or the town that we have, and we are going to watch the circus. Look at that, the circus flag.
Can you spot the pirate flag?
Yeah, look at the Jolly Roger right down here. So I'm not sure if we can bring like the cameras in and stuff, but we'll see how it goes. First half of the circus. Oh my god, it's so amazing. It really looks like the movie The Greatest Showman, except without the animals and the weird people. Oh, but the acrobats were amazing. If you guys are still in the area, Te Puke, Tauranga, Rotorua, I think they are traveling within these two areas. I will drop a link below. You guys can subscribe there and then check out whether this circus is something that you guys want to look at. And we're gonna go for the second half soon. See ya!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Damien and we are Circus Aotearoa. Thank you. Bye. Bye.